It's TT Alley Color Club. Allison, aka Beans, that's what Dylan calls me. Look at him. Look at him. Making the sauce.
Yeah.
Wow. How long did it take you to take that one?
Like an hour.
Whoa. He knows his stuff. It's been a long time. I'm really sorry. Honestly, I'm just the worst. I'm like,
hey, I'm gonna start making YouTube videos. I'm gonna be on Instagram. I'm gonna be on.
and then I disappear. I underestimate how much time I have, and I'm really sorry. Like, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, it hurts me every single day that I don't have content to post. It makes me want to shrivel up in my closet. But today is a good day because I have a lot of energy tonight and everybody's inside. So let me show you inside my house, because the first time I showed you guys the inside of my house was when we basically first moved here. Like, we thought we had shit set up, but we didn't have, like, compared to what we have now we really got shit set up. I've pretty much renovated every single room in this house. We've been living here for about 2 years now, right?
Yeah.
You don't even know what I'm saying! Okay, well, 2 years. Let me show you my, show me, record me.
Hey.
Okay, this is my house. I open these blinds every single morning and I close them every single night. This is Kojak.
What's up, Mello?
This, I don't know what I named any of the other ones. Still got this working. We just bought this off Amazon to hold our spices because it was really annoying trying to find just one of the things, and it doesn't work. This bitch still hasn't found no motherfucking pants. Impossible. I'm not gonna tell you any more times. She's in timeout now. This is a letter that me and Dylan have been writing to each other. This is how it goes. I started it. I love my bead, Allie. And then his response was, oh yeah? Well, I love my bead too. What'd you like to do? I said, My Hill, 8 p.m. sharp. Be there. Zoom in on this. I worked hard on that. And then something went bump. That's the end of the story. But we got these chairs from Salvation Army recently, and it was 60 bucks for all 4 of them. We've thrifted everything in my house, by the way. My Bashy, my Bubby, he's still right here, baby. I love you. This is Bash. Remember Bash? Do you remember them, Bashy? He says he remembers all of you. He says, I love you. Oh, damn. No, he didn't. Let's move it on to the bathroom. Doesn't smell as good in here anymore because Dylan... That's it. This is definitely something where it's showing. Antibacterial. Can't find this anymore. R.I.P. Go turn off the alarm. Okay, Dylan, you talk.
Yeah, and we got this new spice rack.
Okay, don't tell him what I told you already. Do you want to explain what you're cooking?
Spaghetti and meatballs from scratch. This is some broccoli I made from scratch.
He grew that himself. This is a spot that we've been trying to show you forever. Ta-da! I got this at the thrift store and I think it was like 10 bucks for all 3 of them. We kind of got like more of a 70s type theme now. It's not as playful as it was before, but I kind of like this really chill vibe. We got this at the thrift, well, everything's from the thrift store, so I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I love this color green in the glass. I was specifically looking for a glass lamp. I got these from Ollie's because I love Ollie's. We got this dude up here. He's chilling super hard. I got this thing that just looks super cool. And I think it goes with the look that we got going on right now. I had this entire shelf filled with phones that I've collected, which I've actually sold a bunch of them. And we put some of these vase type things, and it just makes the room feel more open and more like a living room. I got this from a yard sale, plus this magazine holder. Both of them for $10. I got this rug from the thrift store for $5. Dylan got these things for free from some dude. I got this from the thrift store for $25 recently. It's really cool. I like how big it is. Shabam. Your turn.
What's his name?
His name is Giraffe. Okay, just forget it. This freaking vase is so sick. This is my meditating bowl. It's sacred. Positive vibes. Okay, let's go upstairs. My workroom. This is my closet. It's more organized. Dylan made me this. Isn't that so sweet? You made me the bench.
I don't even remember that.
You don't. I bought this off OfferUp. I like that. I like that app. People keep asking me like where I got my posters from, and literally I got a subscription to Vogue magazine, and I just rip out the pages and tape them up there, and I've been doing this for months. That's why it's so much now. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I don't get it. How does that work? No. This is where I take my Depop pictures. This is like the studio setup when we're jamming. I play the keys. Let me set up the mood for them real quick. And this is where I chill. I love this guy right here. I actually did name all of them, and I really forgot all of them.
Wow.
Oh, no, I think this is Rudolph.
Alright, you got 2 out of 7. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. I got this from the thrift store. It's like from the 60s. The colors match my room so perfectly, and I pretty much already had these colors going on. I have this picture by Ardnex on Instagram that he made forever ago. It's awesome. This is my sanctuary. Moving on to the bathroom. It's very barmy in here right now. From like in here. Can you see how there's like multiple of me? So when Dylan comes in here and he's brushing his teeth, I'll like look through here and I'll see like a million of him. It's pretty cool.
It does look pretty crazy.
Right? That thing in there. It matches too. How do you feel about this toothpaste?
I hate it.
You do, for real?
Yeah, I really hate it.
It's like it doesn't clean. I don't know. I don't fuck with it either, though.
That's why I tried telling you.
Okay, well, I tried not listening. We got a money plant. Yeah, Hulk hands. We still got those, dudes. I love these bookends. I just got these from Salvation Army for like $5. It's like sides of an apple. Moved my Roger Rabbit poster up here because it kind of goes with the blue. We put this thing up. It's a mirror. I obviously can't see through it at all. Maybe if I stand on the bed. No, because now I'm too high. No, if I stand right... No, there's no possible way I can look through this. This is my only chance right here. Curtains. These are definitely from like the 90s or 80s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Smash that comment section with a comment.
Yo, I don't think it's been recording.
Shut up. I'll literally slap you.